In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to build a student registration form with auto confirmations. If you're looking to make your sign-up process automated, simple, and reliable, you're in the right place. Stick with me until the end, as I'll show you how to do it step by step and offer you a special free trial of the software we'll be using today, available exclusively to my viewers. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll want to do is select the software that can handle both the registration form and the automated email confirmations. There are plenty of options out there, but today I'll show you how to use software that makes this process smooth and straightforward. And don't worry, I'll leave a link to the exclusive free trial in the description so you can follow along with me. Now, the first step is to create a new form. When you're setting up the student registration form, make sure the fields are tailored to what you need. Typically, name, email, course selection, and any other details relevant to your registration. Make sure each field is labeled clearly so your users know exactly what to input. You'll want to have these fields fillable, and the software we're using will allow you to drag and drop these fields into place, saving you time. Next, you'll need to configure the form to send automatic confirmation emails. In our software, there's an option to set up an auto-response email. This is a game changer because it confirms to the student that their registration has been successfully received. To do this, you just go to the email section, customize the message, and add placeholders for dynamic information like the student's name or course choice. This will make the confirmation email feel more personalized. Once you've set up the fields and the confirmation email, the next step is testing your form. This is crucial because you want to make sure that the form works as expected. Every field should capture the right information, and the email should be sent automatically after submission. Do a test run by submitting a dummy registration and check your inbox to make sure you receive the confirmation. If everything looks good, you're done. The registration form is ready to use, and auto confirmations are now part of your student sign-up process. Simple, right? The key takeaway from this video is that creating a student registration form with auto confirmations is both easy and necessary to automate the process. With just a few clicks, you can have an efficient, user-friendly sign-up system that saves you time and ensures students get a prompt response. To quickly recap, create your form with the necessary fields, set up your auto-response email with personalized details, test your form, and you're good to go. And remember, the software we used here can make it even easier, and you can grab your exclusive free trial in the description below. Take advantage of that free trial to follow along and start building your forms today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.